Yeah, we're gonna eat Arby's. Arby's tayo today. Yeah. Arby's burger. Saka ito oh, Arby's French fries. Roast beef tayo. We bought 3 sliders here for $5. We'll see how it looks like. There are 2 tiny buns. 2 tiny buns. But they're cute. I guess this tastes good. There's cheese in it. See? Look at that. Wow. That's $3, $4, or $5 in Arby's. Very good. Dada is eating the what you order, Han? Roast beef? Roast beef sandwich. Ayan. Sa akin yung sliders. Ayan o. Sarap. Kaylee is eating also 1 sliders there. Ano siyang kasama dun sa likod. It tastes good. Di ba yun? Ayan. Sarap. Wow. Paminsan-minsan kakain tayo ng ganito. Dito kami sa Lakeshore Mall. Ayan. Anong nangyari dito sa Lakeshore Mall? Para na siyang dead mall. Sayang tong mall na to. Ang laki pa naman ng ano. Ang lawak ng parking area niya. Gym si Dada dito. After we eat. Ganyan. Fitness Planet. Hindi makita yung pangalan niya.